Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video we'll talk about civil works project procedures. So this video is very important and it's a very important topic in civil engineering. This is related to the civil work project procedure, like in how many ways the civil works are being executed, like in which ways, in which steps a civil project or a civil work is being executed. So these are the basic steps for all types of civil works which are being executed. So it's very important to know in civil engineering, in civil works. So this would be a very important knowledge for you to understand first, because this is the basic knowledge. So we'll study about all these steps of civil works execution. So before starting the video, I'll request you to subscribe this channel Smart Solution and also press the bell notification icon to receive notification of my latest upcoming videos regarding civil engineering. So now let's talk about all the steps of civil works execution. So once we want to make a civil project, once we want to do a certain type of construction work, so we'll simply first have to do the first step would be preliminary survey of the site. Like an initial survey, an initial type of survey is being done at the site. The site is a place where the construction work is done. So the preliminary survey is being done at the site, like all the site details are being noted, like what type of land that is and what are the features of that land is. So these items are very important to know about the topography of the land and about the details of the features of the land. So this is an initial survey. The second step is preparation of rough cost estimate. A rough cost estimate is prepared, and this rough estimate is like works on the surface area, and the cubic volume. Like this is a rough estimate. So rough estimate is prepared on the total surface area is being calculated, and the total amount of volume is calculated in cubic volume, and then it is multiplied with the past work done experiences. So this is how the rough cost estimate is being prepared, like the plinth area estimate. So this type of estimates are prepared. Then third step is administrative approval. Once we have the rough cost estimate and initial survey done, we then acquire administrative approval on the basis of rough cost estimate, drawings and guesswork. And by the way, the drawings are also prepared to have a rough cost estimate. Like the drawing are also prepared along with the rough cost estimate, because and these are not detailed drawing, these are just a rough drawing and guesswork. Like we have to calculate the area and volume of certain things, certain items. So that's why drawing and are necessary to be made at this stage. And on these on the basis of this guesswork, like on the basis of drawings and rough estimate, administrative approval is being acquired. So once we have the administrative approval, and what is an administrative approval? It's just the permission from the management to start the work. So this is like the administrative approval. And then afterwards the preparation of drawings and detailed estimate is prepared. Once we have the administrative approval, then drawings are prepared, and these are the detailed drawing which are prepared in AutoCAD, and also the detailed estimate which are prepared from these drawings. Like first the drawings are being developed, and then from these drawing measurement we develop the detailed estimate. And in the next step, fifth step, technical and financial approval is acquired. It's also known as technical and financial section. So this financial approval is acquired on the basis of detailed estimate and project feasibility, like how the project is feasible or not, or the management decides that they should have to carry out the project or not. So this is being decided on the basis of detailed work, detailed estimate, detailed drawings, because this provides the accurate and actual amount and the work feasibility. So technical financial approval is being acquired after the preparation of detailed estimate and detailed drawing, but administrative approval is just simply acquired once we have the rough estimate and rough drawings. Then afterward budget is allocated, and this is actually not the step of the civil works, but it's a step of all the civil works. Like budget is allocated already, allocation of funds, and it is set for all projects in a fiscal year from June to July. A fiscal year is starts from the June to July. So this is a fiscal year being used in Pakistan and India, probably in India, but I'm not sure about India. So this is a fiscal year, and all the funds are being allocated for all the occurring civil projects in the period between June and to the next July. So this is the budget allocation. And after that, acquisition of land is being acquired. Project site is acquired by the means of civil administration, like civil administration, or uh, the landowners, or with the help of civil administration and with the help of legal authorities, the land is acquired, the site is acquired. If the site is possessed by some landowners, so the land is acquired by the means of civil administration. And after that, order of commencement of work is issued to the contractor if you want to execute that work via contractor. So this order of commencement of work is the last step, and the contractor is granted a written work order to start the work. And initially the contractor is given a letter of intent, or LOI, which means that it's a proposal for the constructor to whether to do this work or not. So if you accept the letter of intent, then the work order is issued to the contractor to carry out the work, to start the work. So these are the 8 steps of civil works. All civil projects are done this way, in these steps. Like the initial survey is done, then the rough estimate is prepared, and that administrator approval is acquired on the basis of the rough estimate, and then detailed drawings and detailed estimate is prepared, and then technical and financial approval is acquired. So technical approval is basically for the project feasibility, and financial approval is for the funds approval. And budget is already allocated from June to July, and acquisition of land is acquired, and then the work is started by uh, issuing the work order to the contractor. So these are all the steps that I have included in this video. So I hope you have liked this video. Please share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.